from Urchfab. So in today's video, we're going to be having a look at my mate's Ford F1 pickup. He has had the truck for quite a long time, but he's at the point where he wants to sell it. And it's been in storage for like 3 or 4 years or something. So he wants the truck to be dragged out of storage and needs to be like serviced. So just basic service stuff, change the oil plugs, put some new fuel in it, just give it a good check over, and also give it a full clean and try and shine it up a little bit. The truck itself, the whole thing has been powder coated, which is something I've never seen anything that's had the whole thing powder coated. Like all the exterior panels are apparently powder coated. And it's like a satin sort of finish, but it's gone really dull and very matte. So Kieran is gonna work his magic and see if he can sort of get a bit of colour back to it. So if you're into the old American classics, then it should be an interesting video.
It's not, unfortunately. It's a V8. It is a V8.
People will be like, slowed it down. Listened.
before.
They come out alright? Yeah. Oh, this is good. Oh no, she's in. Okay. How many minutes was that? Nah, the perfect amount. My built-in torque wrench.
Alright, that's it for the truck video. I thought it would just be an interesting video to make, just because it's not something that you see every day, certainly not here anyway. So Kieran, who did all the cleaning, valeting and servicing work on the truck, I'll put his business details in the description if you are looking to have any of that kind of stuff doing. Then the truck itself is owned by a friend of mine called Simon, and he is selling the truck. So if you're interested in the truck, then I'll put his email address in the description as well. So if you want any information about the truck, then you need to email him. But the basic spec of the truck is it's a 1951 Ford F1 with a Rover V8 engine, 5-speed manual. It's got air ride on it. It's got Mustang front beam with disc brakes on the front. That's pretty much all I know. And the whole body's powder coated, which is not something you see every day. I don't think I've ever seen a vehicle that's got all the exterior panels powder coated. And I know Kieran had a bit of a hard time trying to get a shine back to it, but as you can see in the videos, it did actually come up pretty good. So yeah, if you like these, detailing videos, you'll have to let me know in the comments. Still loads of raffle tickets left for the welder raffle I'm doing, which finishes in 3 days, I think. So grab yourself a ticket for that if you're interested in trying to win a welder. That is going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.